how to add reverb and echo effects in CapCut. So if you want to add reverb and echo effect in CapCut, then let's get started. First, you need to open up your CapCut and then go with a video. Once you've added the video, you need to go and add an audio. So I'll just simply go and add an audio. I'll just simply go with sound. And once you've added your audio, you need to adjust it. Once done, once you have both your video and your audio in your project timeline, you need to trim or cut the audio to the part that you want to enhance. Once done, tap on the audio clip and then go to the speed section, which will be in the bottom. Tap on speed. Now you need to turn on the change audio pitch. You need to turn on the pitch to keep the original tone of the audio. Then tap on the audio, then go to the voice effects, which will be in the bottom, or audio effects or the voice effect. Once you've selected, you need to select the mic hub. If you don't find it, you can go with search and then search for mic hog. Once you've selected, this presents a strong reverb and echo combo. And this is how you can add reverb and echo effects in CapCut in seconds. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.